Have you ever faced one or more of these problems in your day-to-day operation work? Like different variations on production data, like high operation costs, up and down values for products quality, declining in performance, unplanned downtime, high cycle time variation. You don't have to worry about this anymore with Overall Equipment Effectiveness, known as OEE Performance Management System, a step to take you towards Smart Factory. With OEE Performance Management System, avoid sudden shutdown for good. OEE Solutions will give you the data that you need, using your existing control system, to collect and display accurate and alive data. Now you can see assets in real time, to reveal new ways that will improve your business. With automatic collection of data, that's mean no manual data collection anymore, or spending hours to create and analyze reports. By having all of your production data on screens available for you 24/7, you can easily spot real-time bottlenecks in a production line or machines. Also, get richer insights, correlate to production performance, to non-production data sources, like Enterprise Management System (ERP), Manufacturing Execution System (MES), HR, quality, and planning systems or software such as Manufacturing Advanced Planning and Optimization (APO). Sharpen your insights and enable a baseline environment for applying advanced analytics to achieve real-time updates and continuous improvement. This will have an immediate effect in production line by increasing productivity and increase machines availability and uptime. Also, increase your product quality and reduce scrap and rework, and improve your worker performance by enable your team to take the right action at the right time. In that way, you'll be able to reduce your operation costs. Whatever your industry, ADS team can help you. Pre-sales and after-sales services, technical consultations, along with site survey, free license and proof of concept, training and developing your teams. We will provide you with wide range of used cases, references, contact our team now to get more information and free consultation. We have a team that is ready to serve and help you cross the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.